Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss identity constraint. The identity constraint is used to automatically generate unique values for a column when new rows are inserted into a table. Let's understand the identity column with the help of the given table. In this table, we have three columns: eCode, name, and department. And we have marked eCode as identity column. Identity column has two parameters, the start value and the incremental value. So we have marked the start value as 101, and every time an increment of 1 will occur. So we have three records: 101, 1002, and 103. And when we insert a new record, we just have to provide the values of name and department. eCode column will automatically increment the value to 104. So this is how the identity constraints works. Let's understand the identity column in practice. Okay, so we are going to create a table where we will create one column and mark that column as a identity column. So create table customer, and provide the name of the column. So eCode name and department. And now we will mark this eCode column as identity column, because I want that whenever a new record is inserted, this column should be automatically incremented by one value. So we'll write down identity 1001 comma 1 and close the bracket. This is our first value, and every time this record will be incremented by one value. Now select the statement and click on execute button. Now refresh the dataset. Now expand the table, and we can see that we have this table now. And now extract the rows from this table, and we can see that we have no values. Now we will insert the records in this table, but we will not insert the record for eCode column, because this column is identity column and the record will be automatically incremented. So insert into this column name, department, values, and department is, close the bracket and insert the value. Okay, let me remind that we have marked the equal column as identity column, and it will start with 101, and every time this value will be incremented by 1. So we are not going to insert any value for the eCode column. I'll click on execute button, and now extract the value. A new value, we can see that 101 has been inserted in this table automatically. We didn't insert any value. Now insert a new record. Okay. As per the rule, first 1001 will be inserted, and every time 1 will be added to this value. So now we are going to insert a new record, and this record will become 102 automatically. Now click on execute button and see one more record has been added, and this column is being automatically increased by one value. So this way we can insert the new records for name and department column, but we can skip the eCode column, because every time a new values will be given for the name and the department column, eCode column will be automatically incremented by one value. So this is how the identity constraints work.